Yeah, hello and welcome to another episode of Java from start to finish. In today's video, we're talking about decrement, type 1 and type 2. So the type 1, if you watched the increment video, that is type 1 and type 2, you can see that we have prefix increment and postfix increment. In decrement, we have prefix decrement and postfix decrement. So in the prefix, it will be decreased and then assigned to x. Then in the postfix, the x will be constant. Then after the x being constant, it will now decrease the value for x. So that is for the type 1. That is decrement by 1. So this one is minus 1. So if it is 12, after doing this, it's going to be 11. After doing this, it's still going to be 11. But in the type 2, we can see that we have x minus is equal to 10. If you watch the increment video type 2, you would identify this line of code. So it means that it's going to happen like this. X is equal to x minus 10. So x is equal to x minus 10. So if x is 12, at this point, or let's say what this is doing is this. So we're going to subtract 10 from 12, giving us 2. That is going to be the value for x after this line of code. So this decrement is decreasing it by 10. So this type 2, this 10 can be any number. It can be 100, it can be 50, it can be 1000, it can be any number at all. So the type 1 compulsory is decreasing it by 1, and the type 2 means you can decrease it by anything. But make sure it takes this syntax. So it's going to be x minus is equal to, then any number at all can go here. It can be 55, it can be any number at all. But mind you, type 1 means decreasing it by 1, and the type 2 means decreasing it by any other value. But before you can decrease it by any other value, you must let the code take this syntax. So if you declare a variable, let's say int x is equal to 5, and you say x minus minus, after this, and you want to print system.out.println, whatever, we want to print x like this. X is going to be 4. The output you get for this code is 4 because x has been decreased by 1. And if you did this to the prefix in decrement, you'll still get 4. But where the difference comes is that when you want to assign the new value of x to another variable, that is when the difference between the postfix and the prefix comes. Because if you want to assign a difference, the value for x after the decrement to another variable, it means that the x here will not be decreased. After decreasing it, it will assign the new value to the another value you want to assign this one to. Now the postfix means it's going to assign the original value to that variable before decreasing it. So that is the difference. If you think you didn't understand any part of this video, please I advise that you forward it backwards, and then you can go to any point at all that you didn't understand and you can understand more. And also please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and help this little venture to help someone who doesn't or who wants to learn how to code in Java, know the Java very well, and then also develop a program. You might be another person going to create the next big WhatsApp that we know. So please, let's follow these tutorials and then we will know more. See you in the next video.